This right here. This antifreeze coming out of here. See that? Doesn't that make you want to pee?
Damn, that's a lot, bro. You just changing it out?
Yeah. And the lower radiator hose was just like completely mush.
Bro, that's some nice ass tires on this thing.
Did you see the cracks in them? They're absolutely lethal. They will kill you.
Damn.
The car was shaking you to death just going down the road.
Shit.
You see how it's worn right here on the inside more than the outside? That means the tires were always angled out. They were towed out like this, going down the road instead of straight ahead. And it drove like it too.
Damn.
I didn't have any idea what a car is supposed to drive like.
What year is it?
69.
69. Good year.
Yeah. And we need to get some shots. Cranked it up and it lost 2 ports.
Damn.
I went down, then I went to Walmart yesterday and got the second wrong one. The hole where it screws in was too big.
Damn.
Yeah. Crazy. You ready? Okay.
Well, that thing sound cam, boy. Sheesh. That thing sounds cam, bro.